At Minds and Money in London, I'm with Emmanuel Yoka, the Director of Mary's Capital Investments. Emmanuel, share with us what your firm is all about.
Okay, so Mary's Capital Investment is a private equity firm. We're fairly new. We started in 2016 and we are based in Singapore. We actually have a global mandate to invest in various industries and various geographic locations. But our main core focus is around energy, mining, real estate, and agro-industry. But we also remain very opportunistic for the right type of investment in other industries.
And so how is private equity a alternative solution for mining companies?
Well, as you know, many mining companies often face the catch-22 issues. I mean, they go to debt providers and they're told you need to show us more equity. And then they go to equity providers and they're being told that you need to show us a bit more debt. So we're trying to aim and break that vicious cycle by providing some of the equity that these guys actually need in order to complete project, because we don't look at what they've done on the debt side. We really believe that by doing our own analysis and strategic reviews, we can actually make a own decision very quickly.
All right, so obviously your target is junior mining companies. So what have you found here at Minds and Money in London?
Well, we've found plenty of very interesting projects. Obviously, the attendance, from what I understand, is higher. So, I mean, in terms of the exhibitors, it's up 30%. So you have more projects to look at. And in terms of investors, it's actually up 15% in terms of attendance. So it's also very good for us because we come in here also looking for investing partners into the project that we've identified.
Very good. Now, lastly, what are you looking forward to in terms of growth for Mary's Capital Investments in the new year?
Well, we have very ambitious targets. I mean, we want to grow, and by starting really of some of the projects that we've identified on the African continent, because we feel we have a really, really good competitive advantage there in terms of our networks, our industry knowledge, and also the fact that we've already worked on the operational project in the continent. So that's where we're going to be focusing on, and it's probably going to be around projects that are fairly small, but then look at commodities that are very interesting for the long term, such as copper and bauxite.
All right. Well, thank you so much for the interview, Emmanuel.
Thank you for having me. That was a pleasure.
At Minds and Money in London, I'm Rachel Lee for Smallcappower.